Now it's time to put some washer fluid in both cars because they're both running a bit low. All right, guys, so it's time to put some washer fluid in the good old 944. Now, the washer fluid in the 944 is, you know, obviously in the obvious place up front. The Eva is a bit different, so we'll get to that in a second. But anyway, I actually had to replace this motor because the washer fluid wasn't working. So that motor was, I can't remember how much it was. It wasn't super expensive. It was under $100. Definitely worth it, though. It's nice to actually have a windshield that I'm able to clean and see out of. But anyway, this is the washer fluid reservoir, and it goes way down there. You guys can see that down there. Well, no, you guys probably can't, but it goes way down there. So this is a huge washer fluid reservoir. Let's see how much she can fit in her. That's what he said, or she said, I don't know. So what we do here is we put the good old cheap windshield washer fluid in the 944, and how we do that is we carefully remove this with the straws sticking in it, and try not to, you know, disconnect anything, and also hold it and open this at the same time because I didn't do that first. Never mind, it's gonna stay. Hey, just slowly dump this in. Ah, that's not nice. All right, hold it by the bottom and right here. Pour in nice and greatly. Oh, that's beautiful. Can I do it? No, it's about like 3 drops. But hey, not bad. Oh, there we go. I'm starting to see it. This might actually take all of it. The Evo is the one that's actually out of the washer fluid. And with the 944 full, you might wonder why I'm in the back of the Evo. Well, some of you may know, if you're Evo owners, your washer fluid is back there, right by my battery. Just so happens. You pull this little thing out, and look at that. There's your washer fluid. But you can't fit a washer fluid bottle in there. So in either way, whether you have this battery back here or not, you need a funnel. Because I have this battery back here, need a big old funnel because, yeah, it's annoying and difficult. And, you know, let's pop that open and stick her right in there. I can fill her up with some good old washy fluid. Gotta make sure, you know, I don't overfill it, and it also all flows down. Woohoo! Move down here a little bit. Oh yeah, she was empty. No, new to being an Evo owner, and you're like, wait, I'm out of washer fluid. You don't see it under the hood, it's back there. Because rally car. I have no idea why. If anyone knows why the washer fluid reservoir is in the back of the Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 8, let me know in the comments. Alright guys, now it's time to do the good old door jamb switch. Actually repairing it and getting a whole new switch, because this one does not work very well. Hopefully this will fix the problem of the lights still being temperamental and not coming on unless I play with it. And it still didn't come on. Oh, there we go. Now they're on. Yeah, you have to play with it a little bit in order to get them to come on. But anyway, super simple, like I showed everyone in the last video. Literally just a Phillips screwdriver there. Take it out, disconnect the wires, put the new one in. There's the part number if you guys need it. Apparently it's for a Porsche 968. But that is the part number in case you guys need it, in case you guys need a door jamb switch for the driver's side, because the passenger side on mine anyway is different, which is odd. But anyway, let's get to it. Old door jamb switch, don't lose the screw, because, you know, that's important. You need that because the new one does not come with one. And you can just simply remove it. Once I can get the right angle here, because it is angled. There we go. There's 2 wires right there, just pull off. Go and throw the new one on. And now with the old door jamb switch out, obviously this rubber piece is also gonna have to come off with it, because that new one does not come with one. But that's super simple to take off. You literally just kind of pull it past this little guy right here. I'm trying to do this with one hand. It's very difficult, but that's how you get the rubber piece off. You just left the door jamb switch, in which case in here, got a brand new one. So let's pull this puppy out, get that rubber piece back on, and put it in. Hopefully it works. All right guys, so I got the new door jamb switch all connected up here with the rubber piece on it. Let's go ahead and insert it and put that screw in, and hopefully that light will stay on consistently after this is all done. Go ahead and kind of, it's a balancing act going in here. Make sure you don't touch it on anything. Beautiful. Well guys, at this point it works. So let's pretend like the door's shut, which means this will get pushed in, which means the lights turn off, it opens back up. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Tested it 3 times. She's good. Awesome. Big hype. Big hype, big hype, big hype. Oh, I'm so happy. This hasn't worked since I bought the car. And I got LEDs on the inside too, and it's gonna just set it off real nice. Yeah, it's not gonna be that classy vibe because they are LEDs, but it's gonna look pretty cool, I think. Now they'll actually light up when I open the door, which is gonna be super nice. So, Pelican parts. Here's your guys' part number for the door jamb switch if you need it. Passenger side, like I said, is different, but you can also find that on Pelican parts as well. The passenger side, on my car anyway, I don't know if it's like this on all 944s, but my car has 1 connector in the back. It doesn't have the 2 like this one, which is kind of odd. But hey, I'm hyped. I'm very excited. All right, well, anyway, guys, I think this is going to wrap up this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok as well. And I'll see you guys in the next one. You all have an amazing day, all right?